Welcome student. Today we are going to learn a lesson of 9th standard of English Kumar Bharti. The name of lesson is A True Story of Sea Turtle. In this lesson, the writer mentions how he and other volunteers saved the sea turtle by involving villagers in protection to the local species. So let's see the lesson. We were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs, and this came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. That means when narrator and his friend walk on the beach, they came to know that they found the white eggshells nearby, and when they inquire about it, it were these were the turtle eggs, and it was surprised them because it was never come across turtle eggs when they walk along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. So we decided to study this unusual occurrence further, and we learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. But what we learned further shocked us to core. That means when they came to know about these turtle eggs, they decided to study this unusual occurrence. So also, they came to know that nearly 1 month ago, this area was sealed because people after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. Also, the author is shocked at the condition of sea turtles. Turtle nest along the entire coastline of our state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. That means there were few people of the villager every village. They keep watch on the beach about the turtle eggs. So they woke up early in the morning and they went on the beach and they keep the watch on the sea turtle for the sea turtle, and through and when the female turtle comes on the shore to the nest to lay eggs, they follow the trail just like a track of wheels on the sand, and then the egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep, and they dig up the nest and steal all these 100 and 150 eggs that is laid inside. So these eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule First of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tiger. By looking all this ruthless practice is observed in all part of the world, that in India sea turtle has given the protection under the Schedule First of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That means how the protection is given to the tigers, same way for the turtles have been given as much as protection as the tigers. So therefore all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtle is carried on in a secret hush hush manner. This information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it. So, we decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. So, by looking all this condition of the turtles for the sea turtles, they decided that undertake a project for the protection and conservation of the turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. We had no experience regarding sea turtle, so first of all we undertook a study of turtles. We contacted institute that work for the protection of turtles in India. Then, next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Velas, Taluka Mandangad, District Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the Forest Department. That means when they had taken the project under there, then they didn't have any experience. Then first they had followed the step, they studied about the turtles, and they had contacted with the institute which work for the protection of turtle in India. Then next step they had followed that, launching a turtle protection campaign at Velas, that Taluka Mandangad district Ratnagiri, and it was become successful because of the support and cooperation of the forest department. As a part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for the turtle nest on the beach is in the morning. When they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thieves, and by this way there was taken the help of the local people of that village. That means they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest also and bury them again in a similar pit, and one protected with wire fencing, and they had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner, and by this way they had protected 50 nests successfully. And when the babies hatch out of the eggs, what an event that was! And they were saying that when they had seen the babies which is hatched out of the eggs, it was very beach to witness to the spectacle. That means what an event that was. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle, and when the tiny turtle hatchling hurried across the silver sand to meet the rolling, boundless sea, what an ovation they received from the onlookers. Means who were the onlookers on the beach? They had seen that a turtle hatchling which hurried across the silver sand to meet the rolling boundless sea. And some of the early villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, and when they had seen that turtle hatchling, they remembered days of the school. It was for the first time that they had seen the hatchling rushing to the sea. It was very fabulous experience for that onlookers by looking for that turtle hatchlings. I hope all you understood half part of this lesson. Thank you.